Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Roblox soundboard on mobile. First, understand that Roblox does not natively support soundboards on mobile devices. You will need to use third-party applications to achieve this functionality. These external apps typically run in the background while you are playing Roblox, allowing you to trigger sounds during your gameplay. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to set up and use a soundboard effectively. Choosing the right soundboard application is crucial for a smooth experience. You should research reputable apps available for your specific mobile operating system, whether it is iOS or Android. Look for applications that offer customizable sound slots and an intuitive, easy-to-use interface. Always check user reviews and ratings to ensure the app is reliable, performs well, and is free from common issues. This careful selection will enhance your overall enjoyment. Once you have selected an app, the next step is configuration. Download and install your chosen soundboard application directly from your mobile device's app store. After installation, you will need to import or record your desired audio clips into the Soundboard apps library. Finally, assign each unique sound to a specific button or hotkey within the application's interface. This setup allows for quick and easy access to your sounds during gameplay. To use your soundboard with Roblox, begin by launching the Soundboard application first. Ensure that it is running actively in the background on your mobile device. Next, open Roblox and join your preferred game or experience just as you normally would. When you wish to play a sound, simply switch to the Soundboard app and tap the assigned buttons. The audio will then play through your device's output, enhancing your Roblox interactions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.